guys, so today I'm going to be showing you two different ways of making bubbles with slime. One of the methods will probably not work. I just had to fix something over here real quick because my slime is not cooperating as usual. This is my slime. It is very dark, unlike my friends.
It's beautiful.
Like that, right there. So the first method is stretching your slime out as far as you can without it like ripping, breaking, or anything. Then taking the edges, top corners, stretching it out and bringing it down very fast, hoping that you will get a bubble. As you can see, my friend is doing the second method that I will show you.
It works a bit better.
And will probably not make you mad that it doesn't work. For this one, you just need to stick a straw in, make sure there's no bubbles or air that can get out beside the bubble.
Or else it will sound like this. But you can't hear it though.
Let's see if this works. Of course it does, right?
Mine made a hole. As you see, her attempt is much more better than mine.
Attempt
Number 551.
Of course, guys. My friend has been here all day. My friend has been here all day trying to make a bubble. Let's see this attempt.
Attempt number 501.
Guys, did that sound like a fart or no? Anyway, guys, let's see if it works by just covering it instead of just stabbing it. If you don't know what I mean by stabbing it, this is what I mean. Just sticking a straw in there and doing that, which you do have to make sure that there is no air coming in. And as you can see, my friend got a very good bubble. Another way you could do it is flatten out your slime just a bit, not as big as the other one, just that big. Oops, sorry guys, a bit of trouble here. Anyway, the other method is to just put your straw in like that. Oh, and by the way, guys, it can be any kind of straw as long as it is not broken, bent,
I prefer these ones because you know which end has touched the slime. Because you don't want to be eating slime.
Yeah, but I've done this before I use straws. Okay, so the other method is what I just showed you, and it works just as well. Let's see.
I prefer Ella's way. It works better.
It works, but my
stab.
bubble didn't just work.
I like the stab thing because that's better.
Anyway, guys, that's all the time I have for tonight. I hope you guys all have a very good night and that you all have sweet dreams and don't let the slime strangle you or the bed bugs bite. Bye.